Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today I'm going to explain the initial and the very ancient type of forging process, which is nothing but your exact forging. What happens in this, we are going to see in this video. So in forging, what happens? Your material is taken, it is forged, but the main USP of the material is it is preheated. Preheated material is taken and compressive forces are applied on your object. So in this way forging takes place. You can do it by hand as well as you can do it by using other forging machines. So the process is the same as used in forge welding and forging. So if I'll give basic examples of forging, you can do draw out process, that is the length can be increased. Your squeezing can be done in closed impression die, but in all the cases the material should be preheated. So basically if I talk about the advantage of forging, you are just taking your anvil, you are using your hammer and a preheated object is placed in between your anvil as well as your hammer. Forging takes place by hammering that object continuously and your final shaping can be done. So in this way what happens, the internal grains of your forged products gets refined continuously during your hammering process. It do not get damaged as you are not providing force at a particular point, you are providing a force at a particular plane. So the internal forces get enhanced as it is creating and recreating the grains inside your material again and again, which is again heated. That is why the weight to height ratio, that is your weight to strength ratio of a forged product is more due to the internal grain refinement. The major disadvantage of a forging product is the furnace. The furnace requirement is high, like your temperature should be high as well as you need a skilled labor to doing a forging process. So forging is carried out in all of these objects. These are some general examples, like your crank, your bolts, your piston, etc. These all objects have the same property of strength. This all object has to be strong. So due to forging, the strength increases and your object is formed. So again you can see that there are some general operations of forging. So basically when you study forging, you just have to keep in mind the final product which is made is of high strength and it is carried out continuously, but a heated product only can be forged, otherwise it can get break easily. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.